Hello, welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I think someone would not do this, bring dirt inside their home. But we cannot avoid it when you love gardening and you want to enjoy homegrown vegetables, but you don't have a big garden or a big home. There's no choice. So, if you were with me the last time we brought out these chayotes, they now have grown. Look how big this has become. I hope the other camera can see it. And they have been in the outside, brought out of the cold in the temperature, in the room temperature. And this is the growth for more than 3 weeks. And it's obvious that they are already clamoring for the ground. So we need to pot them. There was one here, but I put it back in the cold because I'll be bringing it to Vienna to plant it there. But these ones, we can start potting. As we can see, they are now showing signs of, what should I say? They are now looking for the ground. So let's give them ground. Let's pot them. Would you do this inside your living room? Let's bring this closer. Stay upright, don't fall. See the beauty of, or not beauty, but the good thing, the advantage of wrapping it with paper. It remains moist. Some just put it on top of the ground, but I want to put ground until this level so that this part can touch it. Another one. Let's start with the biggest. Pot the biggest first. How is this? I think I should turn it. Oh, this one, so that the camera can properly catch the action. Whoa, wait, the paper has been confined between this or inside this ridge, meaning that the chayote even grew after picking. That's true. Living things continue to grow even when they're detached from their source or from the branch. Even fingernails, I heard. Not just for plants. Stay upright. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to get the saucers to catch the water. Let's just finish this too, and the rest I will do them offline or off camera. Where's my knife? I was expecting this. The door is even open. Now it's sorted. Let's give this chayotes this will serve as their support as they begin to grow. Look, tomorrow I'm sure this will get attached to that. Okay, I think we're ready to place them where they belong. It's heavier. Watering is not absolutely needed. I just need to compress the ground. And water perfectly does it. I'll do the rest, but I'll spend the time in doing the rest. But thank you for joining me here today. I hope to see you again when we plant this outside. That will be somewhere in May or even later, May to June. Thank you.